Hello everybody, it's me, MLP Pokemon and more here. Welcome back to my channel. I am MLP Pokemon and more. I make lots of different videos on this channel, so feel free to watch the ones that interest you and bypass the ones that don't. So let's get started. This is an updates video, and it is an update on the pets that I currently own. I will be getting another dog at some point, but I don't plan to get any more cats at all. But this is a requested video by a friend of mine, so let's get started. This is what I got from the vets when I had to put my dog Toto down. It's like a little box picture frame. It's blue. It's a blue wooden box and it has a picture of a rose on it. And then when you open it, then it has this space just here to fit a photo of your dog. I have a few on my phone and my computer, so I just need to print one out. And then, before they put the dog to rest, they took his paw print. I don't know if you can see that very well, but they took a print of his paw, so you've got that for a keepsake. So at the moment, I just have pet cats. And the cats I have, in order of what I got them, are Sassy, Teo, Loki, Hercules, Tigger, Bengali, Simba and Salem. So that is 8 cats, and I will be getting a dog. But at the moment, Salem is lost. He got out when I was asleep one night, so I have no idea where he is. Sassy has gone roaming, but she will come back, and the same with Hercules and Bengali. So anyway, I have recently lost Toto. Lost as in he passed away, not lost as in he's actually lost. I know where he is, he's in the spirit world, but I haven't lost him in the case of lost like he's ran off or something. No. He never did run off. He never did run off. He's just passed away. Anyway, I was grieving for a long time and I still kind of am, but I'm getting better. And my emotions were everywhere at the time, and I said, no, I'll never have another dog. And I was my head wasn't really there and I wasn't making the best decisions. But now I feel ready to have another dog, and I have decided that yes, I definitely want to have another dog. I'm not sure what breed it will be, it depends on what's available at the time. But yeah, I do want either a small or medium-sized dog. And I would say definitely no bigger than Toto. But I don't really want another bulldog because they have breathing problems. And that would mean I would eventually have to put the dog down again. And I can't go through that again. When I went to the vets, they kind of treated me badly. And they treated me like a criminal. They basically kind of blamed me for Toto's illnesses, which were not my fault at all. So I won't ever be going back to that vet again. I will be taking my cat and any other dog that I have in the future to a different vet. But my cat Hercules is already signed up at another vet anyway, so that's all good. But the vet I went to previously before this one, they never had a problem with any of my animals. They said they were all in good health and everything like that, so they didn't have a problem with it. But anyway, at the time they wanted to see all 6 of the cats and give them a health check. And like, because at the time my friend told them that I had 6 cats and they were insisting on giving a health check. And I was like, right, that's it. I can't afford that. If they want to see all 6 of the cats, I won't be able to afford that. So I'll just give them up. I'll give them to the RSPCA. I'm sick of fighting now. I say, fine. If you want them, have them. Just make sure they get good homes. And I was just going to keep Teo, Sassy, and possibly Hercules. But definitely Teo and Sassy because they're the ones I've had the longest. But the others, I was like, right, just that's it. Just give them up. And I did book an appointment for the RSPCA to come and collect them, but they never did. And during that time, I had the time to grieve, and I have now decided to keep the cats. And I think that's a good decision. I think it's a decision that's best for me and best for the cats because the cats have got used to me now. They've grown fond of me and I have grown fond of them. So I think it's the best decision. But no, I won't be getting any more cats, just another dog. But they're all I have left now. And they're my comfort after Toto. They're what gives me a reason for being, and if I hadn't got them, I would probably go into a depression again. And I can't do that, so they're my emotional support animals. So they're staying right where they are, which is with me. Okay, so these are the cats that I've got left. Well, these are the pets that I've got left. This is Simba, he's my newest one. him and Salem I got together, but I wasn't intending to. It's just my friends said they knew somebody who had 2 kittens and they wanted to get rid of them. They were giving them away to good homes, and I told my friend 3 times no, because I'd got enough cats as it is, and I couldn't have any more. But then they said they were going to look at the kittens, so I thought, okay, they're just going to look at them. And then when I got there, I waited for them outside, and they came out with the cats, and they said, these are yours. So I ended up with 2 more, basically. But it wasn't intentional. But this is Loki. Simba's there. I'm not sure what breed he is. I think a domestic short hair or domestic medium hair, but I'm not entirely sure. He is Salem's brother. He's almost a pure black cat, but he has a white patch just under his neck, which you can't see at the moment. But him and Salem are like twins because they're almost identical except for that little white patch. My friend named him, and he was named after Simba from The Lion King. And this is Tigger. He is a domestic short hair. And he was named after one of my favourite characters from Winnie the Pooh. Then here we have Loki. I'm a Christo-pagan, so he was named after the god Loki. And he is a domestic medium hair tuxedo cat. And here is Teo, and he is a ragdoll cat.